Welcome to my channel and welcome to Mad Hatter Bags.
Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's the Mad Hatter with Mad Hatter Bags here. I hope you're having a wonderful day today. Thank you so much for tuning in to watch my video. I do appreciate y'all. Today I'm gonna unbox and review this really nice Coach bag. It is the Coachtopia Loop Tote in this beautiful cloud color. So I can't wait to show you that. I recently started loving Coach again. You know, they've really taken a turn for the better. They have some really nice bags that are coming out lately, and I love this bag as well. And I also just kind of found out about Coachtopia, so I really like that line. There is a bag called the Alter Ego bag, and it's the large, medium, and small. Of course, all of the medium and large are all sold out, so I've been waiting desperately to get the black one in the large, so hopefully they'll get those back in stock and I'll be able to get one. But they're really cute and they come in different prints, and they're made from scraps from the Tabby bag. So check that out if you haven't seen the Alter Ego bag. It's really cute. But the bag I'm going to show you today is really nice as well. It's kind of a puffy tote and it's in this cloud color. So I'm going on a trip to New York City soon, so I really was trying to find the perfect bag for a carry-on or a tote. So I'm hoping this is the one, so we shall see. But we're going to unbox it in a moment. Before I do that though, I do want to say thanks to all of my returning subscribers. If you're new to my channel and you haven't subscribed yet, please consider subscribing today by hitting that subscribe button and the bell notification so you know next time I have a post. And if you'd like to follow me on any of my other social media, y'all hop on over and follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and my TikTok channel. I do a lot of fun stuff on TikTok, and I post a lot of high quality images on my Instagram page. So definitely check those out. And for everything else Mad Hatter, go ahead and check out my beacon links. It's the first link under my YouTube bio. You can find lots of great information there as well. And with all that being said, if everybody could just take a moment before they leave this video and give me a thumbs up, I really appreciate that, and it does help my channel to grow. So with all that out of the way, let's go ahead and unbox this beautiful Coachtopia Loop Tote in this beautiful cloud color. I also have a little surprise in the middle of this video. I'll kind of show you from the Snoopy line that just came out from Coach. Now y'all, I'm not a super huge fan of Snoopy, but everybody loves Snoopy. So I did find one little piece that I like. So if you like Snoopy or Charlie Brown and all that whole line, you're gonna find a lot of really cute stuff at Coach recently. They just dropped it. So go ahead and check it out before everything is sold out. They still have some pieces online still, and I managed to snatch this little piece that I really wanted. So I'll show you that in the middle of the video, but let's go ahead and get on with the unboxing of the Coachtopia bag here. Okay, and here it is. As you can see, the inside of the box has the Coachtopia logo and all on it, and then you have your Coachtopia dust bag with the bag in it. Let me set that down where I can actually get to it. So this is my first Coachtopia bag. I've bought Coach in the past, but there is the inside, really cute packaging, and I think that's adorable. Let me just set that to the side here and let's get to this bag. So Coachtopia is, of course, like I said, the pieces are made from different sustainable materials and stuff, so they're really kind of earth friendly. So here is the dust bag here, really nice dust bag, and it's big, of course, because this is a pretty big tote, as you will see. So there's the back side of it there, as you can see. You just read what it says. It says, "Welcome to Coachtopia, a world in progress. Join us on the road to circularity." Yeah, circularity. So there is the dust bag, Coachtopia. You got your drawstrings. Let's take the bag out and see how it looks in this beautiful cloud color. And you tell me what you think in the comments of this bag and see if it's the one for my trip to New York. So here it is. It's a nice little puffy, soft tote. And this is the cloud color. Like I said, it comes in a black and olive and then this cloud. So they change up the colors of these bags sometimes, so it might come out in a different color as well. But so far, I do like the color. I really thought it was a little bit lighter on the website, but so far I like it. Let me just show you a 360 of this, and then we'll come back and I'll show you some details. But I do love the feel of it. It's really soft and silky, and I like the puffiness of it. So there's the other side of it, and then your bottom. You got your Coach tag on there with Coachtopia. So just really nice. It's really cute, and it really feels good. The handles are super soft. Let's go ahead, and I'm gonna take all of the stuffing out of the inside, and I'll come back and show you some more on this bag. All right, y'all, here's the bag. I got everything off of it as far as packaging goes, and I do like it. It's really, really soft, and it's a really nice size tote. So let's go in on some details of this bag. Like I said, the material is very, very soft, and it's got this squishy, pillowy feel to it, so I like that. I love the Coachtopia logo on it. It says, "Let's take a trip. I want to see the world." And it's got that beautiful, colorful Coachtopia label on it. So really nice. and it just feels really super soft. So this is a really cute bag to me. It comes with these little nylon circles here that you can attach stuff to, maybe a bag charm, or you can swap over your luggage tag. Let me show you the luggage tag on it. Here is the little luggage tag and charm or whatever that's on it in this beautiful color, and it has Coachtopia written on the little tag there, and then it has another tag on here. The other tag says Coach there, as you can see. So really nice. I really love the colors on the tag, and I like the little multicolored cord that it comes on. And then of course you have your little Coach tag that tells you about Coachtopia. So that is basically the outside of the bag. Let me show you the inside of it. Okay, here is the inside of the bag, and on the inside you do have that strap there. Let me pull it out for you. It's adjustable, and it has a really nice pillowy strap at the top of it that you can adjust, and of course it's going to be super comfortable crossbody or over your shoulder, and I'll show you that in some mod shots in a few minutes. But let's go ahead and open up the inside of the bag and I'll show you some more. You do have these little rings on all sides of the bag here. There's one here and in the front, and then on the back you have a little strap that you can connect these two together to close the bag up a little bit. And then on the inside you have a little slip pocket here, kind of deep, so that's nice. And then you have your Coachtopia label there on it, so very nice. It's kind of a fabric label there, so very, very nice, Coachtopia. So here, let me show you. You can just take this strap and this little loop here and connect them together, and you can close the bag up somewhat. So that's a nice little feature, especially if you've got the bag packed down. But I really like the size of this bag, and I'm thinking it's going to be a pretty good candidate for my trip. So we'll see. I'm going to have to test it out beforehand and see how she does. But I like it, and I'm getting used to the color. I really thought it was going to be lighter, of course, but it is a little bit different. But it will go with some other things. And now I have a tag that goes on it that I ordered just for like a accessory, and it hasn't came yet, so it's going to come in the next couple of days, and I'll of course show you that as well. And another little wallet that I ordered with it to go with it. But now that I've seen the color of it, I'm not really sure that the others are going to go with it, so we shall see about that too when they come. They're supposed to come later today, so that'll be another video, and of course I'll show it to you in the other videos. But so far I like this, my first Coachtopia purchase. I'm really happy with it and really love the squishy and soft feel of this tote. So let me show you some mod shots with it on, and we'll see what else fits in the bag. All right, y'all, here is the bag on crossbody, and I really like it. It's a pretty big tote, but it is soft and it feels really nice against your body, so it doesn't feel like super uncomfortable or anything. So I'm really kind of happy with the way it feels on. It doesn't really feel like I'm wearing anything, but it is super big. Y'all let me know what you think about this bag in the comments. Do you think it'll be a good contender to take on board for an carry-on, to go on a trip, or, you know, what do you think? I'm not really sure about it just yet, but we shall see. I'll have to use it and try it out and see what I think. But I do like the softness of it, and I'll have to see what all fits in the bag and how much stuff I can carry in it. But it's very nice. I did tuck the handles down. Let me show you. So you can just tuck the handles down inside there and put it behind that little closure piece to kind of hide those away if you want to when you're carrying it crossbody or over the shoulder. And like I said, this strap is adjustable. You do have these little plastic little adjustments there you can adjust it with. So just like that, you pull it and it gets shorter. So you could always do it shorter and then just wear it over your shoulder like this. So that's another option there. And like I said, my first Coachtopia purchase. So we'll see how it goes. All right, y'all, now that I've shown you the Coachtopia loop tote, let's go ahead and unbox the Snoopy versus Coach wallet that I've got, and we'll see how cute it is, because I do love Snoopy. All right, and it came with another box I got, but I just went ahead and took it out of the package, and it's in your Coach wrapping here. Let's unwrap it together and see what it looks like here. It's really cute. All of the Coach with Snoopy has all of the little different styles of Snoopy on it. So let's take it out here together and we'll see. It's wrapped up really nice. All right, and there she is. Look how cute Snoopy is on it. All right, and this is the 3-in-1 wallet. I got this one because it has a little wallet inside, and I was wanting just a smaller, like kind of an organizer to start with. There's Snoopy. But for a little bit more, like 20 bucks more, you can get basically another small wallet on the inside of it. But look how cute Snoopy is with all his little different poses on there. It's got this black glazing on it. It's really, really nice. Very inexpensive too from Coach. All right, let me get all of this packaging on the inside out, but there is the other little wallet piece that slides out. So I really like that you get that extra piece in there, and I like to carry just some simple things sometimes, maybe just 1 or 2 cards with me. So let me take all this packaging off and I'll show you the inside of this little wallet. All right, y'all, I got all the packaging off of the little Snoopy wallet, and I think it's just adorable. Love all of the little Snoopies on it. There it is, open. Let me turn it around here and show you the inside of it. So on the inside here, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 little slots on this side to put your cards in. Then on the other side, you have your other little wallet. I'm gonna slide that out and I'll show you that in a moment. And then on this side, you have the same 1, 2, 3, 4 little slots for your cards to go in. Then if you wanna put your cash and stuff in the top, you also have these 2 little slotted areas here to store some cash or whatever you want to in there, receipts and stuff. So, and of course you have some other little areas up under each side here so that you can put cards and stuff down in there too. So that's a really nice little wallet there. And then on top of that, you also get this other little tiny wallet to put some other little cards in, and it has Snoopy on both sides of it. And then you have a spot maybe to put your ID in with a little cover there that's clear, and then some other card slot holders there. 1, 2, and then there is the Peanuts versus Coach logoing on it there as well too. Really nice. And that'll be probably something I'll use a lot, so I really like it. All right, y'all, so that is the little Snoopy from Peanuts versus Coach, and I think it's really adorable. I love the little small wallet, and y'all let me know. This is the only thing I could really find that I really had to have out of this collection. Y'all let me know if you bought anything from this collection as well in the comments. I hope I gave you a little insight on these products from Coach, and I hope you enjoyed my review on them. I really appreciate y'all for tuning in to watch my video today. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, before you leave, go ahead, hit that subscribe button so you know the next time I have a new post as well. And if everybody could just take a moment to give my video a like, I do appreciate that. And thanks again for tuning in. I'll see everybody on my next review, okay? Y'all have a wonderful day. Bye.